Hi guys, it's Nikki and Watson, and we are here today to do something a little bit different than we have done before. So I mentioned in my last video for Stitch Fix that I thought I might try another clothing subscription service, and I decided to do that. So today I am doing a trunk club unboxing. So not to spend a lot of time here, but just briefly, here are the major differences I've noticed between the two. So when you go to sign up for Trunk Club, you do fill out a style profile, you give them your information, but you are able to talk with the stylist before they're actually packing the trunk. And I mean just exchange emails with them basically. And then they'll kind of present, they'll put a trunk together and you can see it online, and then you can click things that you don't want them to send. And you can decide then if they can just pick some extra things and send them to you. So I hope that makes sense. So there is no discount, so I don't get a discount if I buy a certain number of things. They send you 12 items. This is why I'm going to try to do this video faster than normal, because there's 12 items. And what else was it? I don't know. The prices are a little spendy, so I will tell you that. So I'm just gonna jump right in. So I have a picture of what the box came. I opened it up because everything is in individual packaging. I tried to get that out so this would be faster. So anyways, here's kind of what the trunk looks like once it's open. Let's see. And I'm just gonna jump right in. So the first thing that I got was this sweatshirt, and it's an one shoulder, off the shoulder sweatshirt. And it's very lightweight and I like it quite a bit. So I'll try this one on. However, I did look already at the prices, and this guy is $158. So honestly, unless it turns me into, I don't know, I cannot imagine that I would be paying that for a sweatshirt, but I will try that on. Next is kind of an interesting item. It is a dress, and you know I don't wear that many dresses, but this is a very interesting style. Now I know this is something that has come back. I've seen them quite a bit in more of a denim style. People wear shirts underneath them. I'm not quite sure I'm ready for that yet, but I do love the color of this, so I'm gonna try that one on. The next item is this pair of Spanx, and it's like, I think they call them jean leggings or something, but it's they're made out of a different kind of material. So I will try these on. This lighter camel pattern, oh my gosh, I'm such a nerd, sorry, is not really what I like. I like more of the darker, and I also am getting close to having enough camouflage pants. Next, okay, they sent a pair of jeans, and these are by Wit and Wisdom, and so they're basically just a really dark wash, skinny jean, high-rise ankle length. I don't love this wash, but I will try those on. What else we got here? Okay, I know there's a few dresses. So this dress is large. This is an extra small. So I guess it's meant to run big. So I'm gonna try this on, but I'm not. It looks like I'll be swimming in that. Okay, the next dress, I saw this online. This should be fun. This is basically just a gray kind of t-shirt material. It's lightweight. I have no idea what this will look like on, but I really, if I was gonna wear a dress, this is the style I would like. I just don't want it to be skin tight. Okay, I'm trying to go as fast as I can here. There's also two pairs of shoes. Okay, so this top, okay, this is this black wrap top, I believe, and I think it's made out of either polyester or rayon. I think it's polyester, so it's not my favorite material. I'm not even sure I can figure out how to get it on, but I'm gonna try that one on. Okay, let's just start. One of the pairs of shoes is Superga. I think you pronounce it that way, Superga, or I think it is that. It's an Italian brand, and I will validate the pronunciation, but I think it's like Superga. I could be so wrong. Okay, I'm not even telling what they are. They're just white, a pair of white Supergas. I hope we can figure out the name. Okay. those. Actually, those look kind of cute. Next is this black camisole shirt. You can see it has kind of that lace detail. This looks like it's from one state. And I think this one's like $59. Again, I'm pretty sure there was only 2 or 3 things under $50 in this whole trunk. Okay. Okay, let's do the shoes. This is a pair of open-toed, I think. Yep. Okay. They're like open-toed. What I like about them, if it doesn't look too tacky, is the Velcro strap, because I'm so tired of dealing with buckles and zippers. So I'm not sure about this color either, but I'm gonna try these on. Okay. And last but not least, this was one of my favorite items when I saw it online, is this kind of olive colored suede, sort of a moto type asymmetrical zipper. It's really, really lightweight. I'm gonna try that on. So I will be back. I will go really quickly through the try-ons and then we'll do a wrap up here. Okay, so this is the sweatshirt. And I would need to go up, I think, 1 size, but I really do like the fit of it. I just have my black bra strap hanging out. I'm not going to put on a strapless bra right now. But it's a little fitted, but it's so comfortable. It's like one of the most comfortable shirts. Here's what the back looks like. So this is what it looks like, and I like it, but it's by Philanthropy, and it is $158. So yeah, I just don't think I can do that. I really like it. I don't know why it's that much money. I know it's because of the brand, but I really like this, but unless I win the lottery, which I can't do because I haven't bought a ticket yet, this one's going back. Okay, and also here are the shoes, and these are by Vince Camuto, and you know, when I pulled them out, I did not like them because there's a shorter heel than I'm used to. But as I walk in them and even look at them in my mirror, which I can see much clearer than in here, I think they're okay. Like, I don't think this shorter heel looks bad, and they're really comfortable, like very comfortable. So, yeah, let me see if I can give you a good view of what they look like. That's what they look like. And the color is great. I think it would go with a lot of things. These shoes are $120. Yeah. Okay, on to the next thing. So by the way, Watson had to leave because he's going on a play date. So it's like a break for me. And I love Watson, of course. Anyway, here we go. This is the black camisole by One State. Has this like lace detail, and you can kind of see my bra under there, but it's kind of loose, and yeah. Again, I wasn't going to put on a strapless. But I really like it. I like the fit of it. I think it's comfortable. It is, what did I say it was? Hold on. This is $69 for this tank top. So yeah, more than I'm going to pay for it, I think. So then these are the pants. These are the Spanx. They're called jean-ish leggings. And these are $98. So you can see how they fit. They're very comfortable. They just kind of, I know it's hard to see on camera, but they're just kind of loose on me. Obviously you can see all the bagging there. And it's just kind of a little baggy up here too. So really, I think, again, so far, the stylist has my style down to a T so far on the things I've tried on. Just some fit issues and price issues. So on to the next. Okay, so this is this wrap top, and it's very cute, but I just am not comfortable with it because here's how it looks. It's not really cut too low, but there's nothing like the under layer here. There's nothing holding that over there. So I just feel like unless you keep this tied so tight, it's gonna gap open. And it's not totally my style, but I can see if I was still working in an office, it'd be really cute. Okay, next, which you've already seen, these pants. These are by Wit and Wisdom, I believe, and they are humongous. And also, I just have to, oh, okay, gotta see this shirt. I can't deal with it. It took me forever to get on. Okay, so neither one of these things are things that I like how they fit on me, but you might like them. Okay, here you go. No, I don't even know what this dress is. Okay, I'm showing you. This is a little better than the last one, but it's too big. So everything is just too big. Like you can see, like it very far outside my hips here, and then here it's pretty loose. So I'll just tell you the things I do like about it. I'm obviously not getting it, but I like, oh, this is such a bad cut on me. Okay, I like the color, and I wish this would, I don't know, if it fit right, I think I would like it possibly, but it also seems like just kind of a strange fit for my body in general. I'm going to try on the last dress and I think one more item. Okay, yeah. Okay, so this is really cute and comfortable, but it is obviously very fitted, and I do not know if I'm comfortable with that. So it has this ruching, which is really nice, but I don't know, it's kind of, I guess I'm just not used to seeing the ruching, but obviously this dress fits much better than the other two, and I like the length of it. It's not too short. The back is very fitted. I am a little bit self-conscious of that. I might use some, what do you call it, Spanx, shapers, whatever, to give myself a little bit more of a butt in this type of a dress, and I don't even know if this is appropriate to be talking about. Anyway, this is what it looks like. It's very lightweight, and this dress, oh, this dress is $45, so I could actually afford it. I don't know if this is something I would wear, like where would I actually wear this? Secondly, I know that if my husband sees it, he will insist that I buy it. Okay, so I have just one more thing to try on. Listen, this has been a long try on for me, okay? Okay, so this is more my vibe. So first of all, I have on this jacket, and it's super lightweight, like I said. It's so soft and so comfortable. Oh, and also I forgot, there was a necklace in the box. I didn't see it when I first opened it, and it's by Madewell. So this is it. It's a choker, but I don't feel like it really fits me like a choker, and this is as tight as it goes. So it's really cute. I'm not a huge jewelry person, as you've probably noticed. I do like chokers, however. This one just isn't fitting right. But anyway, this is $34. Then this jacket, like I was saying, is by Blank NYC. This is $78. It's cut higher in the back, which I don't know. I just feel like I wish they made t-shirts shorter, because everything's always, maybe not, maybe this. Okay, anyway, this is what it looks like. It has kind of the shorter scoop in the back, very much like a blazer. There's absolutely no warmth to this jacket, but it also is supposed to be like this drape jacket, which I usually don't like because of my kind of shorter frame. It just doesn't do anything for me. But this one isn't too bad. I feel like even though there's kind of hanging open, it's, I don't know. For some reason, I like it. So far, I would think out of this entire box or trunk, this is my #1 item. And then I'm falling in love with these shoes. I will be back to do a quick wrap up. And shoes are expensive, I think. Okay. So, I am exhausted. Trying on 12 things is more difficult than trying on 5 things. So this was very interesting. You'll have to let me know what you think about this process. First of all, the prices are just, I know that they're not that different. Like when I look at the jeans that are $98, you know, there are jeans priced at that point and above at Stitch Fix. I just think overall, because there's no discount, and like I said, only 3 things were below $50 too, so it just felt expensive to me overall. And I'm not going to walk through each thing because we kind of talked about them, but in terms of what I'm considering keeping, I am keeping this jacket. It's just one of those things that when you wear something and I like it. I don't know if I like it how it's zipped right now, but I like it. And so I think I'm going to keep it. That's $78. I'm also considering keeping this dress, and mainly because my husband really wants me to. And it's $45. it's not too bad. I mean, it is kind of like a t-shirt material, so it seems a little expensive, but I know that I'd pay that much for it through Stitch Fix for sure. And then, what was the other? Oh, the shoes, as always. Like these ones, again, when I first saw them, when I saw them online and even when I got them here, this heel I just didn't like the shape of them, but I'm not joking, they are so comfortable. I really like the shoes. They are $119.95. So, you know, between the jacket and the shoes, that's already $200. And then you got the dress. So I have a little bit of thinking to do. I would love your feedback. Again, I'm pretty clear on what I think I'm going to do, and now it's just budget on those 3 items. But let me know what you think. Let me know what you thought about this. I'm exhausted. I hope that I can edit this down so it's not like an hour long. But if you've not already done so, please subscribe. I think she did a really good job with my style. Just a lot of fit issues and price issues. So thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you with my next Stitch Fix.